Hi and welcome back to our little UK fish room. Before we get started, I just wanted to apologise for our lack of YouTube videos over the past month or so. We have been super busy during our evenings and weekends, redeveloping our fish keeping website from scratch. We are adding many useful new features that will add value to our online site and should be able to launch that fairly shortly. Once we've done that, we will transition back to more video creation. Thanks for your understanding and patience during our absence. So for this video, here is a quick recap. We took a mint green or emerald endler, depending on your naming preference, and we crossed him with 3 virgin female Staeck Endlers. Before we get on to the F2 results, these were what we got as the F1s in the previous video. Surprisingly, I think the F2 results are quite different from the F1s, and it seems most of the Staeck patterning traits have been overwritten with more of a standard black bar Endler pattern, though with arguably a chunkier black bar marking than a typical black bar Endler male. In terms of coloration, the minty green, yellow and turquoisey-ish males seem to be more dominant in number compared to the males displaying the redder markings, which is good, as out of the 2 variations we definitely prefer the greener individuals. I didn't particularly like the F1s and kind of set and forgot this cross in the corner of the fish room, and it wasn't until we did our last fish room tour that I fully realised how nice some of these little dudes were. In conclusion, I think we are going to keep this cross around and try to breed out more of the red coloration if possible, which is something we've been trying to do with our Staeck Endler line for a couple of years now. We would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on these results, so feel free to leave a comment down below, and we will aim to start increasing our video frequency going forward once our site is relaunched. In the meantime, and as always, please do take care of yourselves. Bloopers. In terms of coloration, the minty green, yellow and turquoisey-ish males seem to be in terms of coloration, the minty green, yellow and turquoise-ish males seem to be becoming more of the dominant. For sake, that will offer. Hi and welcome back to our. I hate the way I say back. Welcome back. It's just like lots of emphasis on it. Okay. Before we get started, I just wanted to apologise for our lack of YouTube videos over the past. It's a mouthful. What am I supposed to breathe?
Thanks for watching.